at No Mercy 10 at South Georgia Motorsports Park, X275 and Pro 275. Came down here for Sweet 16 and reset our own record with a 35 with a 9, 435 with a 9 at 162. Small block nitrous, Holley FI. We've been a plate up until this year. With some rule changes, we went back to the direct port. We run a nitrous outlet fogger, rear Morrison small block, 23-degree head, inline valve, 4150 throttle body. We use the Holley FI for fuel management, engine management. We're also controlling the lockup converter with the Holley FI. We have an advanced table built in there for that. We use the MSD grid, both the black and red box, the ignition box, and the digital box. Race Pack Smart Wire and the Race Pack V300. The Holley's just been super beneficial, super simplistic, especially with the lockup control. We've got something built in there that's super simplistic.